Transforming your health and specifically targeting belly fat can be as simple as introducing a daily ritual into your routine. Imagine a tea, natural and soothing, that not only rejuvenates your senses, but also actively works to reduce belly fat. In this video, we're unveiling a special tea recipe that, when consumed daily, can significantly contribute to the reduction of belly fat. Before we unveil this magical brew, make sure to like, subscribe, and ring that notification bell to stay informed about more natural ways to enhance your wellness journey. Your support fuels our passion for sharing health-transforming content. Let's explore how this tea can become your new daily companion in the quest for a healthier, slimmer you. Belly fat isn't just a matter of aesthetic concern. It's a serious health risk associated with diseases like type 2 diabetes and heart conditions. The key to targeting belly fat lies not in drastic dietary changes or rigorous exercise alone, but in incorporating specific natural substances that boost metabolism and enhance fat burning. The tea we're discussing today combines ingredients known for their fat-reducing properties. This tea recipe harnesses the power of green tea, known for its metabolism-boosting catechins, cinnamon, which helps regulate blood sugar levels, and ginger, renowned for its anti-inflammatory properties and ability to enhance thermogenesis, which is the body's fat-burning process. To this, we add lemon, rich in detoxifying vitamin C, and a touch of honey for a natural sweetness that also offers digestive benefits. To prepare this tea, you'll need 1 green tea bag or 1 teaspoon of green tea leaves, a 1/4 teaspoon of ground cinnamon, a small slice of ginger or half a teaspoon of ginger powder, juice of half a lemon, 1 teaspoon of honey, optional depending on your preference. Boil water and pour it over the green tea, letting it steep for about 3 minutes. Add the cinnamon and ginger and let it sit for an additional 5 minutes. Strain the tea into your favorite cup, squeeze in the lemon juice, and stir in the honey if you're using it. Enjoying this tea warm, particularly in the morning or before meals, maximizes its benefits. Drinking this tea daily can kickstart your metabolism from the moment you wake up, enhancing your body's natural fat-burning capabilities throughout the day. Moreover, the hydrating aspect of the tea supports digestion and detoxification, crucial processes in reducing unwanted belly fat. This tea, coupled with a balanced diet and regular physical activity, can amplify your fat loss efforts, leading to visible results. We want to highlight the importance of consistency. The key to seeing results lies in making this tea a regular part of your daily routine, giving your body the chance to absorb and utilize these natural ingredients fully. Your feedback and experiences are invaluable to us. Have you tried a similar tea recipe in your journey to reduce belly fat? What changes have you noticed? Share your stories in the comments below. Your insights not only enrich our content, but also inspire others in our community to embrace natural health solutions. If you found this video insightful and believe in the gentle power of nature to transform health, please share it with friends, family, and anyone who might be looking for natural ways to improve their wellness journey. Together, we can spread the word about simple, effective methods to enhance our health and well-being. Thank you for watching, and remember, every sip of this tea brings you closer to achieving your health goals. Stay committed, stay informed, and never underestimate the power of natural remedies in your quest for a healthier life. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more content designed to empower your health journey. 1 cup at a time. Here's to your health, to reduced belly fat, and to enjoying the journey with every soothing sip.